Okay guys, today we are reviewing Carnival Valor Ocean View Room 1437. You come in, the hallway's quite narrow. Here you have the table with the mirror, a little side chair, a couch, little table here. You have your nightstand and the bed. Ooh, something is climbing up out here. Alright, I guess they're cleaning it. We're on the first floor, so we're quite close to the ground still. Alright, so we have another nightstand, a nice painting. It kind of looks like so, going that way. Mirrors everywhere. Okay. Here you have some shelving. There's your water bottle, some cups, the TV. There's another closet right here. This one actually has the refrigerator, a little seat and a trash can, drawer to provide you with some masks. There's the phone to call down. There's a hair dryer in this drawer, a couple more drawers to store your stuff, and then there's big closets. So you have shelves, and this one another mirror. On here you have some hanging, closet number 2, and this is the third closet, also hanging, and a shelf on the floor. And now here we have the bathroom, pretty small but decent sized. The toilet here, some towels, lighting, you have the mirror, you have the sink, you have some shelving, and then on this side is the shower. They provide shampoos. It's pretty small, curtain going all around, and that's it.